Hi everyone, I'm Sonia. Today, I'll try my best to plan my New Year resolution for 2018. I feel that 2017 has been a very complicated year for me, so I think that it's about time for me to start off the new year as a brand new person. So the team at Ayu Apparels has given me a list of resolution ideas they recommended for me. Cute! Teach your cat a trick. Oh my god, I have 3 cats at home and I can make cat noises. You wanna hear? Say hi to all my Instagram followers. That's easy. Hi everyone! Learn to cook. I'm terrible at cooking. My mom knows that. I can only cook, what? Omelette. Learn a second language. I mean, Malay is a second language, no? Okay, I actually can speak Mandarin a bit only. 你好，我的名字是 Sonia Ashira. 你呢？请问你叫什么名字 ？Question mark. Okay, you must say your name. Memorize the MRT map. I think I'm halfway done. I think so. Actually, I can do this. I'll give you an example of the purple line, okay? Okay, there's Punggol, Sengkang, Buangkok, Kovan, Hougang, Serangoon. Dah, tu je ingat. Turn your phone off for a day. No, I cannot. I cannot do that. Join a long queue for no reason. Why? Stop using Grab and Uber for a month. No, I cannot do that. I struggle. I'm struggling right now, okay? I live for Grab. I'm a gold user. Is it called gold user? Remember to write 2018 instead of 2017. Okay, that's not hard. Go without makeup for a week. Never gonna do that. Do something nice for others every day. I think that applies to everyone out there, not only me. Get your photo taken in 5 interesting places. What is interesting in Singapore? Learn something you never learned as a child. Try a new food each week. I would do that, of course. Research your family tree. I think like if I take the whole year, it won't end. I think I will take forever. My family is huge. Improve memory. Okay. Read a book. I go to the library, okay? I borrow children's book for my course. Always thank service staff, bus drivers, cleaners, cashiers. Goes to everyone out there also. Grow a plant. So cute. Can I grow a cactus? Only one? Only one, right? Not all, right? Okay, thank God. Okay. One only. One. Can I take 2? Okay, no, one. Maybe. I think I'll go for stop using Grab and Uber for a month. I think I really have to do that because I spend most of my money on Grab, which is really unhealthy. I really there was one time for a week I didn't even take any public transport and I spent so much on Grab. But it's okay. Grab, you know, Grab is so easy. You just book and then I'm a Grab Hitch user because Grab Hitch is cheaper. So you want to be cheaper for Grab Hitch. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So if you have not started on your resolutions, it's not too late. What are your resolutions from 2018? Feel free to share with us and comment down below. Okay, that's all from me. Wishing you a happy 2018. Bye-bye!